Hello, welcome to our channel My Telugu Shop Pickles. In this video, we are going to discuss about what is hydrogen and what are the companies that are developing hydrogen cars. Is it good time to buy those stocks or not? Those points we are going to discuss here. Nowadays, we are seeing a lot of growth in hydrogen and EV vehicles. But we don't have enough knowledge on hydrogen and electrical vehicles to distinguish between them, whether we can invest right now in hydrogen or not. We are going to discuss about. So what is the hydrogen? The chemical compound for hydrogen is H, and the hydrogen is available in the form of gas or in the form of liquid for us. Currently, the hydrogen is generating from fossil gases or natural gas, and the hydrogen is not omitting the carbon into the atmosphere, so that we are calling it as a green power right now. And how that hydrogen cars works is, most of hydrogen cars will be having hydrogen fuel cells. That fuel cells will be used to generate power from the hydrogen gas. So the hydrogen gas from the gas tank comes into the hydrogen fuels, and it mixed with the air, and the power will be generated, and this power will move to the electrical motor in that hydrogen motor vehicles, and that motor runs. So that is the formula right now we are using in hydrogen vehicles. So there are some disadvantages also in this process, because of these hydrogen fuels are mixing up with the air, and in addition we are using hydrogen gas for generating the power, right? There is the power loss here, because we are generating the power on the go. So that is the disadvantage. And what are the advantages is, it is not omitting the carbon. That is the only advantage we are having, but indirectly we are using the natural gas to generate this hydrogen gas. So currently 99 percentage of hydrogen is generating from the natural gas. So that is the disadvantages. But when it come to current technology, uh, our scientists are trying to work on generating hydrogen from the water. If it is feasible, then no one will beat the hydrogen. So that is the thing. And when it come to electrical vehicle, right? So here we are using lithium batteries to store energy in the battery, so that the electrical, that energy will transfer into the uh, engine, so that the electrical car moves on. So there is no energy loss in the lithium ion batteries, but the disadvantages are, these lithium ion batteries are very costly, and these are not user friendly. I mean to say that these are all not recyclable. So that this is the disadvantage with the EV vehicle. And when we compare the hydrogen vehicle with the EV vehicle, the right now the advantage is for EV vehicle, because there are lot of charging stations available in the USA and across the world. But when it comes to hydrogen, there are very specific limitations for hydrogen gas stations. So is it good to buy hydrogen stocks right now? Yeah, it is good to buy hydrogen stocks for future purpose, and it is having some advantages, like it is not emitting carbon into the atmosphere, so it is a global atmosphere user friendly fuel right now. That is the advantage. Currently Toyota is generating hydrogen vehicles in a big way. I think we can buy Toyota share right now, and in USA Nikola there is one more company which is going to generate or manufacturing the electric trucks. I think these two are good stocks, and one more is Plug One. In the Plug, they are developing hydrogen fuel cells, so that stock is roaring right now. And thank you guys. Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.